Hi guys, my name is Miss Sheldrick and I will be your teacher for this semester. Unfortunately, I have been placed onto quarantine, so I won't be there to meet you guys, but I will meet you all next week. I know that I've taught a few of you before, but it'll be good to meet all of you when I come back on next Tuesday. So I have two Year 10B maths classes, so from now on, you guys will be called my purple class. So on the board in front of you, there will be your homework and where I list what questions we do during that lesson and things like that, and test dates. Yours is the purple Year 10 maths. So from now on, I will be calling you purple maths instead of anything else. What you need for this, I'm quite pedantic when it comes to having two separate colored pens. I like highlighting things and I like marking things in a different color. It's clearly set out and it's just well needed. As well as a ruler, I like a page split in half so you can use as little of your page as possible and things like that. Now, you do need a graphics calculator, not a scientific calculator. A graphics calculator is a lazy man's calculator. It's going to do most of the work for you. So that's why we do it. Okay, so you're going to need a graphics calculator. Yes, they're expensive, but hopefully you got one at the start of the year. You need your graph book, obviously, and a display folder. The reason I like using display folders is because you have an exam at the end of the year, and this will teach you for later years, like in 11 and 12, that you should always keep your tests and your test notes together. That way you know what questions you got wrong in the test and what ones you have to revise for the exams, and you've got your notes, which means all you have to do at the end of the year is combine all of your notes together to sit your exam. So that's why I like that. And also I tend to give out a lot of paper, not a lot, but I try to give out some and not, you know what I mean. But I like you to keep all of it together, and that's why I need a display folder. So next lesson, just bring one in, just so it comes a routine of bringing it in every lesson. Also a textbook. Obviously, you've got the laptop one, but if you are ever doing something wrong on your laptop, I want the opportunity to be like, okay, now you need to use the book one. So the bookshelf at the back of the room can be used for you to put your books on. Just make sure you write your name on the inside of your textbook and then just pop it on the bottom shelf for the Year 10 maths, and it can stay there all semester. You also need your laptop. Laptop because of, well, everything. If you don't have a calculator, you can use your calculator on there. Your textbooks on there, and also OneNote. OneNote is where I put all of my notes that we do during our lesson, so that if you're absent, you can just check OneNote and see what notes you missed. You can also just sit there and watch the note taking, and then you can copy them afterwards. So I find it really helpful. My expectations for you guys as Year 10s is to come prepared to learn. So just bring all of your stuff and come with a mindset that we are always doing maths. Okay. Sit where you think will benefit your learning. So that means I'm never going to give you a seating plan. However, I do have the option to move you should you not be sitting next to somebody who I think benefits your learning. So you should just pick somebody that you know you work well with and then just roll with that one. My other expectations is that you will use my name. Once I learn your name, I'll use your name. So please use mine. I'm Miss Sheldrick. I will respond to that. Or Miss Shelley, Shelley, Sheldy, and occasionally Mum. But I would appreciate if you called me Miss Sheldrick as opposed to just regarding me as Miss. Things I hate are when you leave your chairs untucked and when you move my tables. The tables are how they are because I like them there. Just leave them. Don't come in and move them around. It's not going to happen. Even if you say you'll put it back in the other lesson, don't move it. It's going to be a no from me. Don't come in late and disrupt an explanation. I tend to wait about 2-3 minutes before I start anyway. And I know there'd be a reason for you being late. So I don't really care about it at that present moment that I'm in the middle of explaining something. Don't email me, what did I miss? Because I'm not going to reply to it. It's on OneNote and it's on Sector. I'm not going to write it for a third time. things I love, well, doesn't really matter, but there they are if you cared, because I'm not there to explain them to you. How I run my classroom. So the first thing you'll do is just come in and you'll sit down and open up your notebook, and just get ready to copy the notes or listen to the notes. Obviously, don't come in and move my tables, please. Either sit and copy them, or you can just watch them and copy them later. Then it'll be question time. If you don't understand something, I'm very approachable. Just say it and I will explain it again, or I'll explain it in a different way, or I'll choose another example to do. I like knowing when you don't understand it, because otherwise I just assume you do. Okay? Then you'll complete the questions that I have set for you, and then whatever you don't finish is homework. I'll never set additional work. It's just I will set amount of questions that need to be completed, and they need to be done for homework or in your own time. So today I will, after you finish watching this, you'll set up your OneNote. I've got a video on that, and then you'll start doing your note taking on our first topic, which is surds, which are basically square roots that can't be simplified, but I'll get into that in the other video. I'm really sorry I'm not there, but I do look forward to seeing you. And just while we're on it, here's my cat, and he also says bye. Mwah.